Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design and sell your own greeting cards from home, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you through a super easy step-by-step tutorial on creating gorgeous, professional-looking greeting cards using Canva, and I'll also be telling you a bit about koala paper, which is my go-to for printing these cards at home. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your greeting card ideas to life, ready to share or even sell. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, it's free and incredibly user-friendly, so you don't need any design experience. Once you've got Canva open, look for the Create a Design button. It should be right up in the top corner and pretty hard to miss. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, rather than choosing one of Canva's preset sizes, we want our own custom size so we can make a perfectly square card, which works really well for greeting cards and gives your designs a clean, modern vibe. When the custom size box pops up, type in 100 by 100. That's pixels by default, but if you want your card a different size or in inches, just make sure to switch the unit before you set it. For most purposes, starting with this square format will give you a nice, balanced canvas to work on. Next, let's add a little organization to our card layout. Click over to the Elements tab, which is on the left-hand panel. Here you'll find all sorts of shapes, graphics, and doodads, but what we want right now is a line. Just type line into the search box if you don't see it immediately. Drag a straight line right onto your canvas, then place it directly in the middle. This helps visually divide your card. Think of it as a guide to balance your artwork and text, or even as a fold line if you're printing. Even if you plan to remove it later, having that line there as a reference can make a world of difference, especially if you want everything to be neat and even. With your layout set, it's time to make your greeting card shine. Now comes the fun part, decorating with images. You can either upload your own photos if you want to add a personal touch or browse Canva's huge library of free pictures and illustrations. Maybe you want a bouquet of flowers, some festive balloons, or a cute animal. Just use the search bar to find whatever fits your theme. Drag your favorite images onto the card and move them around until you're happy with how they look. Don't worry if things aren't perfect right away. Designing is all about experimenting. Alright, let's add a message. Click on the Text tab and pick from headings, subheadings, or just simple body text. Type whatever heartfelt or funny message you want your greeting card to say. Remember, your words are what connect you to the person receiving the card, whether it's a simple happy birthday or something quirky and custom. Play around with the fonts here. Canva has loads of them, from elegant scripts to playful bold letters, so choose one that suits your vibe. You can also change the color to match your images, or keep it classic with black or gold. For the finishing touch, let's add in some final designs. Go back to the Elements tab and grab shapes, sparkles, doodles, or borders. This is where you can really give your card a unique flair. Think of it as just adding sprinkles to a cupcake, small details that really make things pop and show off your personality. Don't be afraid to tweak things a few times. Sometimes just moving one element or changing a color makes all the difference. And there you have it. Once you love your design, you can download it and print on high-quality paper. This is where koala paper comes in. I swear by it for home-printed cards because the colors are vibrant and the paper feels nice and sturdy, just like a store-bought card. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your card designs. I'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials like this one. Happy designing and good luck with your greeting card business.